Right gang, we are on to day 5. I'm excited for this one because I can guarantee it's going to be better than the last. So the cake, let's not even talk about it, it was horrific, let's be real. But today I had a little sneak peek last night because I wanted to sort of psych myself up after the fail on the last one. And it is chocolate orange, which is my absolute fave, and they're cookies. So the other cookies went really well, and they tasted really nice, so I've got high hopes for this. So what you need for this is just milk and butter, which we love, nice and simple. And in the box you get these chocolate orange segments, which look so cool. If it will stop focusing on my face. Can you see? So they've got these little like balls all over them. There you go. So they are chocolate orange topping, and they've got wheat and milk in them. And then you have the cookie mix, which is brown sugar, self-raising flour, cocoa powder, and I'm assuming some chocolate orange, like flavouring of sorts. So yeah, that is what you get in the box. And you literally mix the butter and the milk with the sachet that we have. It makes 4. How long do they bake for? Bake for 8 minutes. You put the orange segments on afterwards. That was good that we clarified that, because for some reason I was thinking that you put them on before, but then if you put them in the oven they'd just melt, wouldn't they? That would be a bit stupid. So yeah, nice and easy. Day 5 of 12. Hopefully this will be better than the last. Let's get started. Right gang, it is the next day when I'm filming this, but I actually forgot to film me like mixing it all up, so we're just going to ignore that and carry on as if we did. So these turned out really cute, I think. This is what they look like. The chocolates on top, they just said to press them into them, so I think they are probably going to fall off, but that's besides the point. This is what they're meant to look like, which I think mine looks basically the same as that anyway, so love that. They are very thin is the only thing I noticed. As you can see, it's kind of like a biscuit how thin it is, but it said that it made 4, so in order for it to make 4 they had to be that small. But yeah, this one's probably the thickest one, and as you can see he's still very thin. So we're going to break, oh, the thing's fallen off already. Yeah, I pressed it in while they were warm, like when they just came out of the oven, but it didn't melt, so I'm not quite sure what was going on there. Right, we're going to break this up so that I can do a little taste test. I'm not that fussed about the chocolate on top, to be honest, but that's the only thing that makes it chocolate orange, I think. Yeah, there's no chocolate orange actually in the cookie mix. It's literally just that chocolate on top, so they kind of look like brownie cookies. I don't know if you can see, if it will stop focusing on my face as per. So as you can see, yeah, it looks kind of like a brownie. I don't know if that's because they're thin or because of the mix. But yeah, so we're gonna do a little taste test. Quite excited for this because I do love a chocolate cookie. That's banging. It literally does taste like a brownie. Like, again, I don't know if you can tell, but it is like really gooey on the inside. It's not going to focus, but you can just imagine what that would look like. It literally looks like a brownie on the inside, so it's like really gooey. So that is lovely. I'm so not with it today, hence the fact that I forgot to actually film me making the recipe. Don't know what was wrong with me, but yeah, they taste lovely. That is another day in the books. We'll see what tomorrow's is. Fingers crossed it's a good one. If this is cookies, I'm gonna take a guess that tomorrow's is biscuits, because we've done a cake recently and we've done cookies today, so that's my guess, but we shall see. Right, I hope you enjoyed that video that was absolutely nothing, and I will see you for tomorrow's recipe, and I promise that I will remember to actually film me making it, not just me tasting it and talking about it. I have a market vlog which I'm going to be editing this weekend, which is from last week, so if you see that go up this weekend, that's lovely, go and watch it. If you don't see it uploaded this weekend, that means I didn't get time to edit it, so we'll just play it by ear on that one, but hopefully I do, because then that'll be something a bit different for you. But yes, hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment if you have the advent. Still yet to find anyone that does, but you know, we shall see, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye gang.